Hey, welcome here. You've probably got a lot of problems and fears that you have in your mind when you're looking at investing in Dubai property market. It could be from, will I find the right property? Will I be able to negotiate and save money? And is the process going to be cumbersome or simple? Look, my name's Fahd Dawood and I'm the author of The Intelligent Real Estate Investor. Build your property empire in Dubai with $150,000 or less. I've been involved in the Dubai market for 12 years. I started in Toronto, Canada in 2006, and since 2007 I've been involved in Dubai. I've done 2,500 transactions either on the buy or the sell side, and I was the advisor on a $300 million fund investing in both residential and commercial real estate. That's the number one way of making sure that you don't face all the problems I've just described. Believe me, if we choose to work together and you let me show you what I can do for you in the long run, you're going to be very, very impressed. Let's get started.